Compress PDF online. Why use our PDF optimizer? Secure. If you are tempted to use a PDF compressor, then you should reconsider your plan. Using a free app means you give up your rights to privacy. Our tool ensures that you maintain control over your personal data and files. With our file compressor, you can reduce PDF size online, and you only need to use as little as 4 credits. You do not need to part with hundreds of dollars in subscription fees annually, because you pay for what you use only. Easy to use. Our tool allows you to compress a PDF file with ease and saves you time. You do not need to spend time installing and configuring this tool. Shrink your PDF. Our tool uses lossless compression technology, which means your PDF will maintain its clarity and quality. That's important if you are compressing business documents such as brochures. How to use PDF compressor. Step 1. Open the file compressor. Log in to your PDFco account, and buy some credits if you have not done so. On the menu bar, click Tools and choose Compress PDF Online. That will bring up the interface for compressing your PDF files. Step 2. Upload your PDF files. The next step is to upload your files by clicking on one of the 3 options available. The option you choose will depend on the location of your PDF files. Step 3. Download your PDF files. The file compressor will reduce the PDF file size, and give you an option to download it or save it to Google Drive or Dropbox.